I made this WhatsApp group for my offline and online patients, so they are under my supervision till they lose their weight or reverse their diabetes or treat their PCOS, whatever their health goal is. From this group, one of my very brilliant patient, he posted this video. He basically belongs to Karachi and he went to the Sadar area, the Empress Market in the Sadar area of Karachi, and he found this guy operating this cold press oil machine, and he extracted virgin oil, 100% virgin oil with no impurities, no additions, no toxins added to it, in just pennies. These cold oil presses can be found in almost every city in the world. Just like my patient who is in Karachi found them in Sadar. People in Lahore can find these oil presses in the area of Papar Mandi. Let me know in the comment section below where you are located and where the oil presses are. If you too get your oil cold pressed like this, so that everyone who reads the comments will benefit from the information. The best oil that has not been denatured, whether you are following keto diet or not, the fat that you take, the oil that you take should not be denatured. It should be cold pressed extra virgin oil, whatever, whether you're using olive oil, whether you're using like or mustard oil, coconut oil, oils that you get from the market, they are basically hydrogenated oils. They have hydrogen added in it, some toxins added in it. They are basically processed at high heat so that they lose their color as well as their flavor as well as their smell, so that once you fry something in it, you will not realize in what oil this thing was fried in. This whole processing, applying high heat, putting on chemicals, adding hydrogen and everything, this basically denatures the fat or the oil. Whatever the oil you are using, whether it is olive oil or coconut oil or mustard oil, whatever, it should be extra virgin cold pressed. Cold pressing is basically the age old method of getting good quality oil without destroying the oil. There are basically two slabs of stones, and between these two slabs you put whatever the oil seeds that you want the oil extracted from. To crush the seeds, oil seeds between these two stones, it can be that a human being is rotating, or sometimes animals are used to move these stone pieces, or nowadays sometimes motor may be applied, but the thing is, the oil seeds are not subjected to any like steel rollers or any chemicals or anything like that. Nowadays, thanks to China, you can also get oil pressing machines which are like small scale, and you can use them at home also. You can invest in one. In this case, you are not adding any chemicals or high heat, but the yield is low and the machines can heat up. Anyway, getting your oil cold extracted, oil pressed is much easier and much cheaper way of getting good quality oil. Because think about it, once you are buying virgin oils, these are basically you are paying a lot of money, not only for the oil, you are paying for the packing, you are paying for the transportation, you are paying basically for the advertisement and for the oil for being in that beautiful bottle. And the people selling these beautifully packed oils are basically rich corporate oil mill owners. As compared to paying these people, it would be a good gesture if you pay this poor man. These are poor people who have no other source of income other than their precious oil press. Plus, keep in mind, the more expensive the oil is, the more chances of it being adulterated. I'm Dr. Asma Mahmood signing off. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have cold pressed oil, where you get it extracted from. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.